H.K.Tutorial Easy Study. Today we will do proverb, unity is strength. So without wasting time, let us do expansion of idea, unity is strength. Everyone knows the story of the bundle of sticks that could not be broken easily, but single stick that could be broken easily. That is what is meant by unity is strength. 5 fingers make a hand. A hand makes a handshake. A handshake extends warmth and friendship and reaches out to the world. India is a land of diverse people, cultures, religion, languages and geography. So long as we are united, we stand strong and no power on earth can do us any harm. The moment we show sign of division, we will be vulnerable and enemies will try to take advantage of the situation. A team in which the individual members play only to project themselves cannot win a match. Only when each players play for the good of the team, winning of the team becomes possible. Anything that we do should be done for the general good, not for the individual glory. Working for a common cause results in mutual empowerment. Proverbs are short, but it has a great meaning. It creates a huge impact in our mind. It is long lasting forever. Proverbs encourages us, motivates us. So always keep on looking for good proverbs. If you like my video, please hit the like button, share it to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.